Hello friends, my name is Krishna Raj Kolle. I am teaching you in this period demonstrating or explaining cogeneration and trigeneration. First point, cogeneration process. In this cogeneration process is also known as combined heat or combined heat and power or CHP. Is an eco-friendly electricity generation method that aims to capture all the heat lost in the conventional electricity process and utilizes it effectively. Second one is it is also called combined heat and power as it generates both usable heat and electricity, meaning its efficiency rate are much higher than traditional energy production mechanisms. A cogeneration unit consists of the following three basic components. First component is a primary mover in which fuel is converted into mechanical and thermal energy. Second one is a generator to make transform the mechanical energy into electricity. Third one is a heat recovery system to collect the produced heat. What is cogeneration? I, I will show what is cogeneration in this tree diagram. You can understand it. Trigeneration process. Trigeneration is the production of combined cooling, heat, and power from a single generator or process. The trigeneration system produces electricity and useful heat, which is utilized for hot water, space heating, or system production, as well as energy efficient cooling. All fields of cogeneration application can be considered as a potential application of trigeneration. When in addition to electricity and heating demand, there is a need for cooling. For instance, trigeneration plants are commonly found in central heating and cooling system for hospitals, hotels, and industrial plants. A trigeneration process consists of following basic components: primary mover, that is motor, motor generator or natural gas engine waste, heat recovery boiler, and vapor absorption system. Benefits of trigeneration: energy saving, reduced environmental impact, variable output, increased fuel efficiency, reduced energy cost. Trigeneration offers a range of fuel choice. When we give